Good afternoon, it's Mark again, 2E1CQ. Right, this is a promotional video by Banggood. They sent me this device free of charge to do a number of videos. It's the, I can turn it round, it's the KV4P HT project. This is a module, radio module, strange enough, that you can actually connect with your cell phone. This is, if I bring it closer, not too sure if it would actually get into focus, but it is the version 2. Difference between the version 2 and the version 1 is the original version 1 came in components and you put it together yourself. Version 2 with an improvement, it comes all fully built and a number of additional features. The old style feature, when you actually connect this to a mobile phone app, and you can PTT from the app. However, this one, when it connects to a mobile phone, so it's actually powered by the mobile phone, it has no cell phone information, doesn't use a phone network, and doesn't use the internet. It purely connects to this radio device, available in 2 meters and 70 sems. And it has a separate PTT, which is this lever at the top here on this corner. What comes in the package is that you get yourself an antenna. This handy little device is C connector for Android phones only. They don't do anything for iOS at the moment. Not too sure if there's any views of obviously making it available for Apple phones. But this little device connects in the your phone and obviously the device itself, and it's actually powered from your mobile phone. What also comes with it as well is this handy cable with 2 connectors, C connector at both ends. So if you run it from somewhere different than your phone, then you've actually got power, but you do need the phone to PTT. Now, if I can read this for the moment, you probably won't be able to read it. It's the KV4P HT project 2025. It has actually got the date. 2025 is the year, January is the month, and the date is the 15th. And the guy who does this is Vance. KV4P version 2 hardware. So put this together. If I can lean my phone up for the moment and a separate box, I'll make this up for you. Good thing about this is that it would actually come with a standard SMA, so you could actually put another coax cable on that, another SMA connector, a piece of coax, and you can actually connect it either to a flower pot antenna for 2 meters. This is a 2 meter version, or you can put this through a mobile whip and use it. But let me put it together. That's it together. The other side probably wants to be the other side up. Actually, the connector's slightly wrong because this will fit on the back of the phone. So where the camera is on the phone, that's at the back of the phone. The connector is the wrong way round, but you can always put that back together. I think I changed that actually. That's what you actually see, and that would actually connect to the phone and PTT. I'm not too sure if my recording device will show me the app, or when I close the window down it will probably stop recording. So what I do later on, I do this. Now I want to read you something about the history and what it actually is. Let's have a look. How to turn, it's the KV4P, Kilo Victor 4 Papa HT project. Turn your phone or Android phone into a ham radio. How to turn your Android into a real ham radio. Doesn't use the internet, doesn't use any part of the only part of the phone it actually uses, it's actually powered from the phone, and you've got to use the app with the phone. There's nothing else that the radio itself would actually use. Doesn't use the internet, doesn't use any cell phone data. Key technical specifications: frequency bands, primary coverage on the 2 meter VHF band 144 to 148, with some hardware variants offering UHF 70 SEMS configuration I can't even pronounce it. Power output: transmit at approximately 1 watt of RF power, consuming very little energy directly from the phone's battery, hence obviously the 2 connectors. Hardware architect is built around the ESP32 wireless module, coupled with a low-cost embedded radio chip, typically the SA818 or the DR818 module. No internal battery. The dongle draws power over its USB-C port, making it highly reliable for storage in emergency go bags or glove compartments, because there's actually no onboard lithium battery. Antenna port is outfitted with a standard SMA male connector. Operators can switch everything from a compact rubber ducky, as it's got down here, antenna, to an external tactical whip or R-gain directional Yagi antenna if you feel and wish to experiment. And this is all from Banggood, where you can buy other radio equipment delivered directly to your home. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Hopefully the next one will be operating one to see how it actually works on the app. And I do believe my phone can actually record from the screen. So that's the KV4P radio device you use with a mobile phone, and there's a separate here PTT. 73 guys, all the best. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe.